बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous class we learned to find out square root by prime factorization method. Today inshallah in this exercise 5.3 we will learn to find out square root by division method. Let's start our exercise 5.2. Question number 1 is find square root of the following numbers by division method. The number that is given to you is 729. Students, first of all, what you have to do in solution, put sign just like this, just like this. This is the sign of what? Square root. First of all, you have to put sign of square root. Then what you will write? Then you will write your question under the square root, that is 729. After writing your number, what you will do? You will make the pair from right to left. You will make pair from right to left or from back of your number. After this, you will guess a number over here, so that you will multiply that number with itself. You will get a smaller number or equal number than your first pair. So we guess here which number? 2. When you multiply 2 with 2, not in first step you don't have to write the 7. Okay, this is just because of print. So 2 multiply by 2, what we will get? We will get 4. 2 2s are 4. In next step, you have to subtract 7 and 4. What you have to do? We will subtract 7 and 4. 7 minus 4, 3. And this complete pair will come down 329. On this side, what will happen? This 2 will be added with your this divisor. In this divisor, this 2 will be added. So what we will get? We will get 2 plus 2, 4. Now, with 4, you have to guess a number that is multiplied with itself, so that we get 329 or smaller number over here. So we will guess here what? 4, 7. When we put 7 with 4 and we multiply it with 7, the number that we will get is what? 329. 7 sevens are 49, 9, 4 carries, 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 32. Beta, you have to guess here number. You may try here 6, 5, 4, 3, every number from 2 to 9, but answer should come smaller or equal to, nearer to 329. And must remember, at the final step, when all the pairs have finished, there must be the same number. As this is 329, there should be 329 under it. So we guess which number with 4? 7. So that we multiply it 47 with 7, we get 329, and 329 minus 329 is what? 0. And this is our answer. 27 is the square root of 729. Beta, must remember, 47 will multiply with 7 only. We can't multiply this number with any other number. Part number 2. 2304 is the number, and we are going to square root of 2304. First of all, we will write under square root, under the sign of square root, our number 2304. Then students, from right to left make the pairs. From right to left make the pairs, or from back of your number make the pairs. In next step, we will guess a number over here, so that when we multiply this number with itself, the answer will come smaller than this first pair or equal to this pair. If I select here 3, then I will multiply 3 with 3. I can't multiply 3 with 4, 3 with 7. This is square root. You have to take square over here. So if I multiply 3 with 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 is too much smaller. If I select here 5, 5 multiplied by 5, 25, that is bigger from 23. That's why I select here 4. 4 4s are what? 16. In next step, 23 minus 16. Subtract 16 from 23, we get what? We get 7. And what will happen? The next complete pair will come down. Not just like the division, 0 will come down. Complete pair will be come down. And on this side, what will be happen? This 4 will be added in this 4. We will put sign of plus and then we will write this 4 over here. 4 plus 4, 8. Now students, in next step, with 8 we need a digit so that we multiply that with the same digit we get 704 or smaller than it. Here we guess which number? 8. So that when we multiply 88 with 8, we get what? 704. Students, you may try here. Of course, we don't know. We may try here 7 with 8, then multiply it with 7. Whatever the numbers you will put with 8, you have to multiply with the same number. Got it? Now since we know that at the last there will be what? 4. So which number should be here? 8 should be here. 8 8s are 64 and in the last of 64 we have 4. So we can guess just like this. We put here 8 and multiply 88 with 8. We get what? 704 and remainder is 0. Hence square root of 2304 is what? 48. See part number 3, 4489. In first step, we will make what? We will make pair from right to left. Then we will guess a number over here so that we multiply that number with itself. We get a number smaller than first pair, or that will be equal to first pair. If we select here 7, then we have to multiply 7 with 7. 7s are 49, that is bigger. So we select here 6. 6 are what? 36. And in next step, subtract 36 from 44. What we get? We get 8. Then whole pair 89 will come down. What will happen on this side? We will put the sign of addition and this 6 will be added in 6. 6 plus 6 we get what? 12. Now students, with 12 you need a number that will be multiplied with itself and we will get what? We will get 89. So right here you can perform your rough work over here. You can try 6 with 12, you can try 7 with 12, you can try 8 with 12, but whatever the number you are trying, when your answer comes this one, your work will be ended. So we try here 7 and multiply this number with same number 7. We get what? We get 889. Subtract these both, we get what? 0. Hence 67 is square root of 4480. See the next part, that is 7056. First of all, we put sign of division, then we write our number inside it. After this, from right to left we will make pairs. In first pair you have 70. So you have to search or guess a number over here so that you multiply this number with itself and answer comes smaller than this 70. or nearer to 70, not bigger. Okay, so we search here 8. 8 8s are 64. Now subtract 64 from 70, we get what? We get 6. And 56 complete pair will come down. On this side, we will add this 8 with our divisor. 8 plus 8 plus 8 comes from here. 8 plus 8, 16. Now students, with 16, we have to search a number so that we multiply this complete new divisor with that number. We will get what? We will get 656. We can search here the different number. We can search 8 with 16 and multiply with 8 till then we get this answer, and remainder is 0. 84 is our answer, and it is the square root of 7056. See the next part, that is 9801. In first step, we will make pair from right to left, from back. Now, in first pair, we have 98. So, we will search here a number so that we multiply this number with itself. And we get a number that is smaller than 98 or nearer and smaller than 98. So we guess here 9. 9 nines are what? 81. In next step, we subtract 98 and 81. We get what? We get 70. And this complete pair will come down. Now we have a number 1701. On this side, this 9 will be added in our divisor. 9 plus 9. Now 9 plus 9 is what? 18. Now students, from where this 9 will come? We will search, we will try different numbers with 18 so that we multiply just like this. We will search different numbers with 18 so that we multiply that number with complete new divisor. We get what? We will get this answer. So finally, we observe in a rough work that there should be 9 with 18. So that we multiply this 189 with 9, we get what? 1701. We get 1701, so we will write 19 here, 19 here. And remainder is 0, hence 99 is square root of 9008. Now students, come to the next part. 14,400 is our question. This is a 5-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. So we will make pair from right to left, from back of the number. 1 is alone. So we will try here, of course, 1. We can't write here 2 because when we write here 2, so we must have to multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 is bigger than 1. So we will write here 1, we multiply 1 with 1. This 20 is later on. In first step, you have to write only 1. 1 ones are what? 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0, nothing. So next pair will come down, that is 44. What will happen on this side? This 1 will be added in our divisor. 1 plus 1, 2. Now students, from where this 2 comes? Now we will try a number with this 2 so that we multiply the new divisor with that number. We get what? 44 or smaller than 44. So we try here 2 and multiply 22 with 22 with 2. 22 2s are 44. The same number comes, subtract it from it. We get what? 44 minus 44, nothing. Hope you got it. And now again a pair is there. Come down this pair also. 0 0. On this side, what will happen? Now 22 is our new divisor. This 2 will be added in 22 and we get 24. Now we will search a number with 24. So we put that number with 24 to become a new divisor and multiply with the same number. Multiply with the same number and we get what? 0 0. So 0 is the number. We put 0 with 24 and also 0 here. 2240 multiplied by 0 is what? That will be 0 of course, and 0 is our answer. Hence 120 is this square root of 14,400. See the next part, part number 7, 15,625. First of all, under the division sign, we will put our number. Then we will make pair from right to left, from back of the number. Now, one is our first pair and only the number. So, what the number we will choose over here? 1. 1 multiply by 1, and what is answer? 1. Now in next step, 1 minus 1 is nothing, so 56 will become down. Students, only one pair will become down, and on this side what will happen, this 1 will be added in our old divisor, and we will make here the new divisor. 1 plus 1 2. Now with 2 we will search a number, so that we will multiply our new divisor with the same number, and we get the number smaller than 56 or equal to 56. So we will search here 2, and we multiply 22 with 2. What we get? 44. Now again subtract 56 and 44. What we get? We will get 12. Now next pair will come down, that is 25. And on this side, what will happen? On in this divisor 22, that is the second divisor, this 2 will be added. The thing that is multiplied with 22 will be added, that is 2. 22 plus 2, 24. Now with 24 we have to search a number, so that we multiply that number with new divisor, we will get 1225. So that number is 5. With 245 we multiplied 5, and we get 1225, and 0 is remainder. Square root of 15,625 is 125. See the next one, that is part number 8, 18,496. First of all, what we have to do, we will make pair from the back of number, from right to left. And again 1 is alone, 1 ones are 1. In next step, 1 minus 1, what we get? 0. And here we have to write new divisor. How we will add this 1 in our this old divisor? 1 plus 1, we get what? 2. And this 84 will come down, first pair will come down. Now with 2 we have to guess a number, so that we multiply this new divisor with that number, and we get a number that is smaller than 84. So we guess here 3. We will multiply 23 with 3, and we get what? 69. 23 3s are 69. Subtract 84 and 69, we get 15. And in next step, next complete pair will be come down. Now what will be added in 23? The thing that is multiplied with 23 will be added. Since we multiply 3 with 23, so 3 will be added, and new number becomes 26. Now we will guess a number with 26, so that we multiply that number with itself with the complete new divisor, and answer should be 1596. So we guess here which number? We guess here 6. So multiply 266 with 266 with 6, we get 1596. Remainder is 0. We have completed our pairs. Hence 136 is square root of 18,496. Part number 9 is 207,936. First of all, we will write our number under square root. Then make the pairs from right to left. First pair is 20. So which number should be here? Yes, 4. 4 fours are what? 16. And in next step, subtract 20 and 16, we get what? 4. 79 will come down. And here in 4, what should be added? That is multiplied with itself. Means 4 will be added. 4 plus 4, 8. And with 8, we will search a number, so that when we multiply that number with new divisor, our answer should be smaller and nearer than 479. So we will search here 5. We multiply 85 with 5 and the number that will come is 425. Subtract these two numbers and we get what? We get 54. 36 will come down now, and here what will happen? We will make new divisor. How? In 85 what should be added? In 85 5 should be added, that is multiplied with that number will be added. So we add 5 with 85, we get 90. Now with 90, now we have to make new divisor over here. So with 90 we write a number such that we multiply that new divisor with that number, so that we get 5436. So we search or we guess 6. We do all the rough work over here. 90 multiplied by 5, 95, 905 multiplied by 5, and all of those numbers. No, 6 is the number, so that 906 will be multiplied with which number? 6, and we get this number, and our work is completed. 5436, 5436 minus 0, all pairs have completed, and 456 is square root of 207,936. Part number 11th is 5,499,025. So students, what we have to do, first of all, we will write our question under the square root. We will not write these all of these quotients in one step. Okay, simply first write down your number under the square root sign. Then make the pairs from right to left from back of your number. Now first number is, or first pair that contains only one number as 5. So we will search here, we will guess a number over here, so that we multiply that number with itself and we get a number that is smaller or equal to our first pair. That number is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now 5 minus 4 is equal to what? 1. And the next pair will come down, that is 49. And on this side what will happen? This 2 will be added in this 2. 2 plus 2 and we get 4. Now with 4 we will guess a number, so that we multiply our new divisor with that number and we get a number that is smaller than 149. So we guess here 3. We multiply 43 with 3 and we get what? 129. And we will write 129 under 149. Subtract these twos, we get what? 20. We get 20. And now the next pair will come down, that is 90. On this side what will happen? Which number will be added in 43? The number that is multiplied with 43, that is 3. So 3 will be added in 43. 43 plus 3 and it will become 46. Now we will guess a number with 46, so that we multiply that number with our new divisor. Our answer should be smaller than this number. That number is 4. So we put 4 with 46 and it becomes 464. We multiply 464 with 4 and the number that will come is 1856. Now simply subtract these two values and we get what? 234. 25 will come down. What will be added in 464 to make new divisor? Yes, 4 will be added, as 4 is multiplied with 464. So 4 will be added in it and we get 468. Now with 468 we will guess a number such that with new divisor we multiply that number and we get this number, that is 23,425. That number is 5. So we will write here 5, here 5, and this is the number. Our work has been completed because all the pairs have finished, and at the end we get 0. So what is our answer? 2345 is our answer. See the next part. This is our part number 12. And what is it? 4,986,289. First of all, we will rewrite our question under r square root. Then we will make the pairs. Now the first pair, under first pair we have only 4. So what should be here? 2 2s are 4, and we will write here 4. Then put the minus sign. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 98 will come down. 2 will be added in this 2, 2 plus 2, 4 over here. So we will try here 2. If we try here 3, then we have to multiply 43 with 3, and the number will become greater than 98. That's why we will put 2 with 4, and we multiply 42 with 2, and the number that will come is 84. Subtract 98 and 84, we get what? 14. 62 will come down, and in 42 which number will be added? 2, that is multiplied in 42. So 42 plus 2, we get 44. Now what number we will guess with 44, so that we multiply that number with new divisor and we get the number smaller than 1462. That number is 3. We will put here 3 with 44 and also 3 over here. Multiply 443 with 3. What we get? 1329. Now subtract these two values. We get what? 133 after subtraction. The last pair will come down, that is 89, and this 443 will be added with 3, means it's the thing that is multiplied with it is added. 443 plus 3, 446. Now we have this number, and with 446 we will guess a number that will multiply with the new divisor, so that we get 13,389. That number is 3. Put 3 here, also here, and the number that we get is this. Subtract them, 0. Our question has been completed, and this is our answer. Students, you have to complete your classwork, that is question number 1 of exercise 5.3, and send the clear images of your work till 9 p.m. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.